Pineapple, pecan, peaches, pound cake. That's right, say that 5 times fast. I'm gonna show you how to cook the best dessert on this Blackstone griddle, only using pea ingredients, but honestly, this is the only dessert you should be cooking anyway. First, we're gonna put up, we got our butter. We got 2 zones here. We got left and we got right. If you don't know your left and right, click off my channel. All right, go ahead. Left and right. Left zone, we got butter. Right zone, we got butter. Pretty simple. I know what you're thinking. Butter doesn't start with P. It's okay. You got to have butter. But we're going to put butter on both sides. We're going to get it nice and lubed up. We got medium to low heat here, guys. We're going to go ahead and get these lubed up with butter. And then we're not going to burn ourselves. I'm going to take a little stab. There we go. Stabby stab right there. I'm going to do a stabby stab right there. Get that all greased up. Because on the left side, we're going to do the pound cake. We're going to get that toasted. On the right side, we're going to do our pineapple and our peaches. We're going to get them caramelized in the juice. We're going to add the juice because we need the juice, and the juice just tastes good. And I'm going to sneak in some powdered sugar. So first, let's get these fruit laid out here, okay? Got our pineapple. We got our peaches. We're going to line them up all pretty. And for my island boys out there, I see you, I know you. We're gonna get some pineapple peaches for you out here, okay? Let's see. I got a lot of downloads from Hawaii and I appreciate it. All right, get these all nice. Get that right here. There we go. And everything you see here, guys, that I use, the bowls, the spatulas, the griddle, all of that is in my Amazon store. Go ahead and click the link. If you buy something through there, that kicks back to the channel and it helps me. I appreciate it. All right, we got those laid out there. Now we're going to take our little spatulas here and get this all kind of mixed together. There we go. We're going to let that cook in that butter for, I would go probably 5 to 8 minutes. That's what you're going to do here. We're going to get those nice and toasty. We're going to flip those over. Now the pound cake, this is what you want to do on the pound cake side. You can do it now or later. Depends on what you want to do. I do it now, and you can go ahead and you're going to lay them out flat, and it's on low heat on the left side because you don't want to burn these. You want them nice and cooked here. I cook mine a little bit thinner. Or I cut mine a little bit thicker because I like it. I like mine a little thick. A little thick in your life never hurts. So here you go. And we're gonna get those toasty over here. We want that toasty because we're gonna lay on our pineapple, our peaches, our pecan, our powdered sugar, and guess what? There's an added ingredient I didn't even tell you yet. Pudding. That's right, starts with a P. It's going to taste amazing. Hey guys, I love making desserts. This is a lot of fun on the Blackstone Griddle. If you haven't yet, smash that like button, turn notifications on so you get notified when I do a new recipe, and then also hit that subscribe to the channel. It helps tell YouTube that you're really enjoying the content. Let's get back into this dessert. Let's flip the pound cake. So real simple here, just kind of get them over. Look at that, nice toasty brown. We don't want them black. We just want a nice toasty brown color right there. Look at that. That's the color you're wanting on your pound cake. And so these are still cooking in the butter. You can add in extra liquid from the can or wherever you got your pineapples or your peaches from. We're going to do that here in a minute. I want to flip them right now and get them just a little bit charred on each side. And I said medium heat here, guys, low heat on the left side. We got our peaches, right? These are peaches. We got our peaches over here marinating away. You can throw in powdered sugar on top of these. I'm not a big fan of it. I like doing it at the end because I don't want to cook that sugar into my griddle. I've had bad luck with cooking sugar on griddles, and that's just my personal preference. You can do whatever you want. You can, if you don't want to use pea ingredients because you want to get more fundamentals with it or basics, you can use brown sugar. That's probably another good one to do is brown sugar and butter. But we're going to do it this way. I've had this before. You toss the pecans on top with the pudding and mwah, chef's kiss. It's so good. A few more minutes and then we're gonna get these off of here and plated and it's gonna be amazing. Our pound cake is done. Let's get these off. Put them in the bowl. Thank you, Vanna. Put them in here. Get them all nice and toasty. They are done. They don't take a couple minutes. Our fruit is still cooking. So we're gonna give that about 2 more minutes. I did add a little bit extra butter in here for transparency's sake. You gotta have a little bit more butter. And we're gonna get those all chopped up. I went ahead and chopped them up too. I didn't want the rings because obviously you gotta put them on your pound cake. You can leave them whole if you want. I just do a little cut in the center, you know, like a little ninja slice and get that all chopped up and neat. We'll give it another probably 2 to 3 minutes on the Blackstone. Then we're gonna pull it off. Our fruit is done, so we're gonna get this off as well. Just throw it in a bowl, real simple and easy. Get this off of your griddle. And you see on my griddle, it's not all messy with all these sugars and everything. That's why I don't put a lot of sugar in this. Like I said, I'm gonna plate it with powdered sugar. You could use brown sugar, but then you would get all of this in here really gross and yucky, and you don't wanna mess with all that, so don't mess with all that. Let's get this plated, let's taste it, let's eat it, and let's enjoy it. Let's build this thing. Let's put our pudding on, get that nice foundation so we can layer on our fruit. We got our peaches, and we got our pecans, and we got our pineapple right on top there. Get them all nice and layered, they're grilled. Now sprinkle that powdered sugar. Look at this thing, it's building, and we're gonna eat it, I promise. Put on the pecans and enjoy. And hey guys, if you like recipes like this, go ahead and click or tap the screen now, and I will catch you in the next cook.